in Joplin as well as those in years gone by.
Yeah. I think that would just be a beautiful thing, wouldn't it?
I would love and adore to see that. I think we need an uplift. Our flag is beautiful.
I certainly agree. I think that's a wonderful idea. Maybe we can see that and hopefully encourage folks to try their flags. I think that'd be an excellent idea.
That if we could have, just blanket the city and people see that like after 9/11, it just picks you up, If we could do that, I'd love to see it. I hope we can. Thank you.
You're very welcome. So not a bad idea. If you have a flag, go ahead and fly it. Fly that with pride. I think that would be just an amazing thing to live in the city of Joplin and see. Such an encouragement. It has been an amazing thing. When in these recovery efforts, you'll find instances where everything is broken apart, and when they can, if they find a flag, they'll try to mount it in some place to let it be shown. I think that's just incredible. 782-1310, 782-1310. Let's take your calls. Good evening, KZRG.
Hi.
Hello, how are you doing?
I could be better.
Yeah, I can understand.
My husband and I and my 2 children are here in Joplin volunteering our company's time.
Okay.
And I have a request that everyone on the road, please be patient. All of us are here volunteering, trying to help you. And I have been flipped off more times in the last 2 days than I can remember.
I guess not.
I have had people cuss at me.
Maybe she thought it was
and all
a
I'm
four-way
trying
or
to do
something.
is move equipment from one site to another, and I'm frustrated.
The
And I
internal
feel
memories.
like
Well, dang
I need to
it.
just pack up and go home and say to heck with it all. But I know that there's those out there, there's more out there that need me than are doing this.
Yeah.
And I just want everybody to remember that we're here volunteering. And I just feel like all you're doing is taking pictures and here to look. Please go away and let us do what we need to do.
I certainly think that's very well said. Thank you for calling in and saying that.
Let's go.
Thank you.
I agree. The important thing to remember is a lot of folks are on the knife's edge of emotion.
I thought we were on range line.
They're in that world. It's a confusing place to be. It's very difficult. It is very, very difficult. So I encourage, continue that acts of love and compassion. If you're a volunteer, remember why you're volunteering in the first place. This is to help others. Just to keep that in mind, because you will see some of that. You will see some people, and just, I guess, if you're a volunteer and you're witnessing that, just try to remember and continue that love, even in the face of someone flipping you off. Just because you have to understand that they're going through a rough spot right now, and they may do that. They may get home and they just may put their head in their hands and feel terrible about it. And I think that's the thing to remember, is that people are just on that knife's edge of emotion. And just, our prayers are with you, our thoughts are with you, and we hope that we can get through this together. We know that we can get through it together. We just have to walk